Uh, so welcome to another data ad hoc stream. It is stream number 36, and today we will discuss about project ideas, which is developed by Google, and it is very much similar to VS Code because it uh, based on Code OSS. So OSS stands for Open Source Software. So it is available, and VS Code based on that. uh, so all the OSS Code OSS platforms look similar, and the major thing about this project IDX from Google, it is cloud based. So all the features you see in VS Code are available on this cloud, so you can browse and test your application or code anywhere you go. So there is so it is not required, so it can run through browse as well. So in for like this VS Code is also available through browse with GitHub, but it is very this all the so it don't have separate app desktop app for this project IDX. So okay. So you can see this is Code OSS, so it is similar. So this user interface is similar to this VS Code and project IDS. So first thing to note that for project IDX, it is still in beta phase. So it is not fully functional yet, but they are updating changes frequently, so it can be integrated AI features also, all uh, like uh, app development related process integration, that part. So it is considered as full stack development environment, and it is designed to allow developers to build application encompassing both front end and back end components within cloud base. So this is they also integrated AI assistant workspace supporting wide range of frameworks and languages across different platforms. So recently they have introduced this support from Gemini. You can have like inline uh, like uh, chat, and you can accept their suggestions also. Since nowadays, though it seems Google was behind the schedule in AI upgrading, now it seems that Google's recent experimental tools are far better than their competitors, and they it is praised by developers from different fields. So they are like good at coding. So uh, you can integrate all these frameworks, different languages, and also for Android, there is Android emulator available. So while update developing app, you can check how that particular app looks in Android as well as on web as well. So recently they have integrated interactive chat. So I'm not sure, like I haven't used much, but it is similar to Gemini chat support, and let's try to check on that as well. So when you logged in, you will see different templates are available for workspaces. So for web app, these are template already built template are available. Backend, then for mobile, then for AI ML, then for databases, then miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, there is a blank workspace you can create from scratch, and also with React Maps platform as well. And they have some solutions as well, so you can check on that as well. So let's try to, I haven't used any I was not involved in any web application related development process as of now, but let's try to check on that. So you need to provide a name for your workspace. It will take some time, but it create templates, so you don't need to create from scratch. It won't take much time. So they are creating virtual environment. Okay. So pre-built template is available for us, and you can see terminal, it's there. You can check with terminal as well. So you can see it's most of the task is you code is already available for template, and we can see Android emulator is here, uh, which is showing preview as well, and it's running at backend. So I just try to create one Flutter app. They have also introduced this Gemini, which I am trying to locate, but This is Flutter sidebar. So in this you can try starting editor. So you can provide prompt for Gemini, inline prompt. Also you can just inform that Gemini to explain selected code as well. So here Gemini is now available. Continue. We will minimize this terminal. So it explained in detail about our code as well. Here so interactive chat is also available, which I think it is very much similar to Gemini, just another name or some different features. So you can see here thinking is Gemini is thinking. So I think it is Gemini's Flash experimental thinking model. It's working at backend. You can update file or review changes. So it is interactive chat. It's already started by default. See. So similar to this, you can add extensions, test your project. It is similar to VS Code and it is web based. So all the wherever you go with browser, you can test that, and there are features from Google support like Gemini or different AI features. You can use that, and it is for almost all pre-built templates are available, so there is no need to start from scratch. Also with this, it can write testing as well, for also write documentation part as well. And if you go to status dashboards, you can see like current status, like if if there is any technical glitches present or not. So it's for now it's all running fine, like workspaces, template, integration, Gemini, IDX as well. So that's it for today for project IDX. We'll try to check or create few apps in future as well. So please provide your comment, like how you are preferring. Are you preferring project IDX over VS Code or vice versa? And that's it for today. Thank you. Let's meet next time with next thing. Thank you.